I found this recipe by Broma Bakery on Instagram, raspberry and dark chocolate chip cookies. I have to try them. So we're gonna melt some butter, and to the melted butter add sugar. I added 50 grams less sugar, but that's just me. Combine all that, mess up the lighting, that's important. Add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, vanilla extract, and baking soda, and a couple pinches of salt, karate chopped the bowl, I guess. After which, sift in your flour, start combining it, realize you need a better tool, switch to a spatula, very good. Then I used 1.5 bars of dark chocolate for the chocolate chip cookies, and very important, frozen raspberries. You have to work quickly here so they don't melt. Form them into balls and pop them in the oven for just 10-11 minutes. They cook really quickly, they bake really quickly rather, and it's a hit. They are so good. The tartness and flavor of the raspberries go so well with the chocolate. They are crispy on the edges and deliciously cookie dough soft inside. Really, really delicious. Try it.